It's Hina Kausar Arab from Government First Grade College, Haliyar. And in this session, I'm going to discuss about the need of industrial development. So first of all, we can go through the introduction. So industrialization plays a major role in the economic development of underdeveloped countries like India, with vast manpower and varied resources. Since independence, India is trying to build up a sound industrial base and possessing a huge reserve of natural resources. So, under this industrial development, there are some points which can be explained. The first point why we need industrial development is economic stability. A country that only depends upon agriculture sector cannot achieve stability. There is an imbalance. Only the manpower, that is labor intensive technology, is being used. Hence, industrialization provides economic stability to the country. The second point is increase in foreign exchange reserve. With the introduction of more and more industries, there will be a rise in foreign exchange earnings. The exports will rise and imports will start falling in numbers. There would be more cash inflow, self sufficiency will increase. The third point says utilization of natural resources. There may be a lot of resources lying unused, like the barren lands and minerals, which can be of no use to the agricultural and financial sectors of a country. Therefore, industrial development would add to the utilization of such resources. The fourth point is it supports agriculture, defense, and other sectors of economy. With the development of industrial sector, other sector also benefited. Industries provides machinery like tractors and modern inputs to the agriculture sector. It improves the working and lifestyles of farmers. Fifth point is improvement of balance of payments and government revenue. Due to industrialization, domestic goods, that is, goods manufactured by own country, increases, and so does it exports. It is favorable for balance of payment because value of finished goods increases as compared to the primary goods. Collection of taxes like excise duty, indirect taxes, income taxes also increases with industrialization. The sixth point is improvement in investment and spending. Industrialization causes the income of people to rise and improves their standard of living. There is a rise in income, and so rate of savings, rate of investment, and the rate of spending also rises automatically. This is an important event for the rapid growth of economy. And last but not the least, it provides huge employment to the people of a country, thereby eliminates most of the social and economic problems of a country, as unemployment is the root cause and has underpinned all the drawback for a country. The most importance of industries is to reduce unemployment. So all and all, the summary tells about we can easily understand the need for industrial development in India.